Hare Krishna Prabhus, thank you for taking the time out of your days to participate in our brief update. Hopefully everyone's been following our activities on Facebook. We're trying to stream as much as possible classes, morning program, Darshan, Arati, Guru Puja. If anyone has any suggestions, if they'd like to see anything more, just let us know. We'll be happy to try to accommodate. We understand that not everyone can come for the times that the temple is open, from 12:30 to 1 daily, which coincides also with the time that Govinda's is open for takeaway, from 12 to 3:30 every day. So in that regard, before we go any further, I'd like to just, in honor of Lord Nrsimha Yajna's auspicious appearance tomorrow, there is one nice verse from the 5th canto, 18th chapter, text 8. And that verse is, Om Namo Bhagavate Nrsimhaya Namas Tejas Tejase Aviadravava Vajranaka Vajradangsta Karamas Sayam Ramdaya Ramdaya Tamo Grasa Grasa Om Swaha Abhayam Abhayam Atmane Bhuyishta Om Shrom. So the translation of this verse is, and this is spoken by Prasad Maharaj, I offer my respectful obeisances unto Lord Nrsimha Yajna, the source of all power. O my Lord, who possesses nails and teeth just like thunderbolts, kindly vanquish our demon-like desires for fruitive activity in this material world. Please appear in our hearts and drive away our ignorance, so that by your mercy we may become fearless in the struggle for existence in this material world. So tomorrow, in the afternoon, starting at 5, we'll be doing special homa for the pleasure of the deities and the devotees. Many of you have already jumped in to sponsor at different levels. There's no hard and fast. You can donate as much or as little as you like. Your name will be chanted along with the other auspicious mantras. And depending on the level of donation, there is some tangible benefit. We have Mayapur Nrsimha Kavacha, very specially blessed, and a very unique Arati offering to the Lord in Mayapur. Just for this purpose. These are not, you can of course buy Nrsimha Kavachas any place, but these were offered especially for the benefit of the New York City devotees. So please take advantage of this. You'll see online what the different giving levels are and which of these auspicious items, prasad and paraphernalia, correlate to each one of these offerings. So that's tomorrow, beginning at 5. Other activities, just a simple temple update. We had, of course, there's always, every endeavor is covered to some degree by fault, not necessarily our own, but all public events for the months of May and June have been canceled in New York City, which included Arati scheduled for June 12th. June 14th, but 12th through 14th would have been the entire weekend. We're trying to bring that online. Please keep up to date on how that's progressing on Facebook. We'll be posting there on our weekly newsletters, and also there'll be daily updates as well. Govinda's continues to remain open for takeout and delivery. Many may know that we were, for the last 30 plus days, we were delivering to the Kohler Specialty Hospital at the behest of the Brooklyn Borough President, Eric Adams. That was a neglected nursing home, long-term care facility. Nursing homes were some of the hardest hit, with some of the greatest stress and strain on the frontline healthcare providers. We were happy to be able to provide for them, and the doctors and nurses were very happy. And expressed great satisfaction in this regard. So this, we're looking forward to taking that service up again. Different providers provide differently. Not this month, another provider is given. So we may be back again in that respect next month. Again, keep online, keep up to date. And if you have any suggestions in this regard, let us know. There's, thanks to your generosity during the fundraiser, we have begun to execute planning and execution of some of the different areas of the temple that require repairs and renovations. And so there's already some work going on upstairs, which came about by a separate donation for some of the administrative offices upstairs, separate from the fundraising efforts. And with the fundraising efforts, we're already doing some work on upgrading Govind's downstairs with the addition of central heating and cooling. So this will be a welcome addition in the summer. That hasn't been available for some time. The system is old and not functioning properly. But now we'll have a state-of-the-art, and that is coming about through the efforts of your generous donations and the workmanship of Prasad. So there's, in addition to that work, there's expansions to Govind's. We'll be creating a preaching space just next door where we currently do our dry storage. I think many of you have seen those architects' conceptual drawings. So these will all be preaching spaces, probably continuously used for either conferences or seminars or Monday night evening programs, along with the Lotus Room, which will also get included in the upcoming renovations. So lots of things going on. Due to the kind and generous donation of David Kipriya, Peru, he sponsored one new kitchen stove, and a matching donation also came, and so 2 new kitchen stoves will be coming as a result. We're looking forward to that. And if anyone would like to donate, we'd like to replace the tilting skillet. That tilting skillet is used is about $4,500 to $5,500 in good condition. They have some less expensive, but we're looking for a 40-gallon. So if anyone has any connections, please let us know. As a point of reference, new, they're around $18,000. I think many may already be aware that we've been trying to increase our online presence with the classes in the morning and also with readings in the evening, and also trying to link up with other local activities. Jayadvaita Maharaj's classes from New Jersey, Chandrasekhar Maharaj's classes from McDougal Street, and other local speakers. So to the extent that we can, we'll try to link as much as possible. We had 2 very nice kirtan opportunities recently for the Festival of the Holy Name. They had their global pandemic kirtans. And we were many of the thousands that participated, which was a very successful endeavor. We'd like to thank those organizers and, of course, all the participants. And we were very grateful to be able to get the opportunity to chant and bring Radha Govinda into everyone's homes. Here in the temple, things go on. The deity service is continuing. Mother Shobhamaya is always working very hard, along with Sharad Bihari and Anubhav, and all the devotees, Mother Lena, Mother Jagadatri, who perform the assorted backup activities. Just now, the flowers have arrived due to the causeless mercy of an anonymous donor, and they're being prepared for the deities. And those flowers should last us for about 2 weeks. We've also recently made arrangements to expand our rooftop gardening. So we'll be planting, we have already planted marigolds, and along with some small-scale vegetables, beets and herbs and lettuce and things like that, which we can easily handle and which we can use to supplement the devotees' diets here, as well as the deities, of course. So this is very nice. We're looking forward to sending you more pictures in that regard as everything continues. There's as far as the Rath Yatra is concerned, we already mentioned that it will be a virtual Rath Yatra. If anyone has any ideas in this regard, please let us know. We're always very thankful for the continued generations, even in this difficult times. We know that it's very difficult for everyone involved, so it's especially appreciated that there are many who are continuing with their monthly donations to help with the upkeep of Radha Govinda's deity seva, and as well as the other activities required to keep the temple functioning. So again, please keep in touch with us via our social media, website, Facebook, etc. And we look forward to continuing this conversation, hopefully in person in the near future. Otherwise, we'll just make another recording at the beginning of next week and look forward to again speaking with you. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna. All glories to Sri Radha Govinda. All glories to Srila Prabhupada.